MeghalayaPost.news.
Deputy Commissioner Kari Poi District Abilash Baranwal Kongsan Mantagasngi Lapli Paiba Yakawi program Banajing Hikai Halo Kajing Poi Bnai Kikentei Bakumno Kikena Kentei Haki School Kintips Pangkajing Poi Bnai Nabata Kajing Kojing Kya Kamtam Banajing Kairu Ban Pendukam Dagi Jingsop Poi Bnai Gibala Ban Pendukam Biang Klem Dabret Namarbun Kilongiing Kim Kot Bor Ban Thied Bat Penbiang Yakajing Kam Kikun Kentei Kete Ka program Kade Kabalatip Kumka District Wide School on Menstrual Hygiene Management MHN Bala Pelong Daka MOSONiE Project Bala Rengkat Bor District jong Kari Poi Banai Jing Hikai Yaki Hino Hikai Bat Langba Jongki An Betengpat Yakajing Hikai Syaki Kena Kentei Ban Penbiang Ru Dagi Jingsop Poi Bnai Kibala Ban Penong Kambiang Syaki Kena Kentei Haki School Berper Kari Poi District Badi Hati Kajing Lang La Pelong Haka Office jong Ka DSEO Hanongpo Shushu Katong jong Kate Ka program Kalong Ru Ban Weng Yakajing Ting Haka Pol Poi Bnai Daga Ba Penseluruh Yaki Kena Kentei Bakin Long Lai Lut Ban Kren Ban Tip Ru Yakajing Long Kamet Kapat Kenang Bagajing Poi Bnai Jongki Kan Long Kabatikna Bat Kabokot Bakya Hakate Kesngi La Sakhiru Daga Jing Don Lang Ka Kong KB Jarwa, District School Education Officer, Margaret Linai, Executive Director, MOSONiE, Kinohikai Lambat Kiwi.
We also gather not only to talk about the period, and we also wanted to empower the women. We wanted to empower the girls and women to live a healthier and a more confident life. In this program, our aim is to create awareness program, also to promote and sustainable menstrual practices, and make sure that every girls and women in the district has access to the information and the resources they need. We are especially proud to promote the use of reusable sanitary pads, which are both eco-friendly and cost-effective. Together, we are not only supporting better health, but also protecting our environment. Let this event be a starting point for the open conversation, learning, and a positive change. I encourage everyone, once you have attended the program, to go back to your school, to your community, and then to spread the message about the menstruation and make everyone understood, and then support and also give a respect.
Sanitary pads to all the beneficiaries present in that program. So we would like to say thank you so much to the MOSONiE for helping our people there. And I can see that most of our girls there are coming from the poor families who cannot afford to spend much money every time. But using the bala cloth provided by the MOSONiE, I can say till now they are still using that reusable sanitary pad. And even myself, I'm using that. And it is very, very, very safe and assured, I can say, to use that.
Because I clearly remember a few months back when Margaret from MOSONiE, she had visited my office. She told me about all the good work that she has done, but she also informed us about the reusable sanitary napkins that she has distributed to more than 2,000 households, right? 3,000 women so far. So initially, reusable sanitary napkins, my knowledge in this arena, this area is understandably very poor. However, nevertheless, the fact that being in IS, we are exposed to all kinds of situations, all kinds of scenarios. We, during our training also, we are exposed to different kinds of case studies. So we know that access to, so basically from that I understand that access to sanitary napkin is a major challenge in the rural areas especially, and given the fact that it is so expensive, the ones that are available in market. Simultaneously, the stigma is, there's a lot of stigma as well. I clearly remember that these sanitary napkins, whenever the chemist would give it, they necessarily give it in black polythenes only so that it is not visible when I was growing up. So all those kinds of things, so I mean, they are in common knowledge, and so I also knew it. But simultaneously, these reusable sanitary napkins particularly struck because it's very cost effective. I mean, in 300, 400 rupees, even if they have had to purchase it, lasts for around 2 years, man? 3 years. So let's say 3 years, a 300, 500 rupees packet can be reused again and again for a period of 3 years. So it hardly comes to around what? 30 paise or 40 paise per day. So it's nothing. But then I was skeptical because this is something that I've heard, but the fact that it has never been widely, how should I say, accepted in society, these reusable sanitary napkins, made me skeptical of the receptivity to what they have distributed. That even though they have distributed it to 3,000 women, but are they being used? That's the real question. So there comes the role of MSRLS. So my DMM, District Mission Manager, MSRLS is there. I asked them for the beneficiary list. So they have excellent documentation. They maintain the list of all women along with their phone numbers who have received these reusable sanitary napkins. Since they belong to the poorest strata of society, they also happen to be our SHG members. So I gave that list to my DMM MSRLS, who looks after this entire SHG thing in the district. He instructed his officers to reach out to these women and understand that what they have given is being used or not, is it even effective or not. And the response that I got was exactly what they had told me. That they had prepared one testimonial manual in which most of the women had praised it. One woman had complained regarding that it may not suffice for the heavy flow days, right, madam? And this is exactly the feedback that we got from our MSRLS team. And that kind of built my trust in their organization that they are not only talking, but they are rather walking the talk as well. So that way, then came the question that then I asked them whether. So basically, the girls who are in our secondary schools, upper primary and higher secondary, they are at an impressionable age where if they are introduced to good habits, they will continue it for life, and especially if it is cost effective. And not only that, they can also be ambassadors of these good practices in their homes and their localities.
MeghalayaPost.news